Hi, my loves. Welcome to another episode of my beauty maintenance vlog. My stylist is the best. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So, you know when Snapchat sends you a memory of the previous year? So, this was me and my stylist, August 16, 2024. And somehow still found ourselves at the salon August 17, 2025. It's the consistency for me. Anyway, we had already started relaxing my hair at this point because she said it was due. You can see she's just partitioning it and just, applying the relaxer. It was painful. Don't mind my face. Somebody was making us laugh here in the salon, and I was just, trying to focus on what my stylist was doing. She was talking and, doing her job at the same time. The relaxing process wasn't really long as opposed to what we usually do, because when we're relaxing my hair, it usually takes so much time. I guess it's because we were gisting and relaxing at the same time. So she was just partitioning it, and this lady was still making us laugh so much. Then we washed the hair quickly, and it was time to blow dry it. She was asking if it was painful. I said no. She wanted to know if the temperature she was using was okay, and I was like, yeah, it's fine. But truly, it was so hot, and I couldn't stop laughing. Up next was to carve my brow, and for this part, you have to stay still so she doesn't cut you with the razor. And my stylist always gets the shape that I like. That's why I love her so much. She's good at what she does. Like, she pays so much attention to details. Beat me trying to see if the shape was given. I was looking at it through the phone camera, and I was smiling because I like how it came out, even though she was not done here. But yeah, I was loving it already. Up next was my lashes, which is the cocoa for the day. Trust me, I had to stay still for this part. Next up, we had to now style the hair. I wanted to go for something really simple. Truthfully, I wanted to braid my hair that same day, but then she suggested that we allow the hair breathe because we just relaxed it after losing it. Like, it was a whole lot. And I actually agreed with her. Then we just said we're gonna pack it into something fine, just a simple bun. So she was applying some styling wax so that since we just relaxed the hair, it's going to last more, as I'm not making it right now. So when next I'm ready to make my hair or braid it, the texture would still be very, very nice, and we do not have to do another relaxing again. She was using a smaller brush to lay this hair so that it will come out smoothly. And trust me, when I said my stylist is good, I wasn't joking, and I was not exaggerating. This woman is actually so good. Sometimes I feel like she's a perfectionist because she won't let you go until she is 100% sure the hair is clean. I love my stylist so much, and we're done with everything, and I was ready to go. This was the calmest beauty maintenance session ever, and yeah, I'm a happy customer. Ready for the new week. My hair is glowing, my lashes are popping, and your girl is officially back to feeling herself. And we are done. Oh my god, my stylist is the best. Sometimes you just need a little self-care day to remind yourself that you deserve to look and feel good. I'm happy with how everything turned out. Thank you guys for hanging out with me at the salon today. It was so much fun bringing you along. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.